say that I'm extremely moved after watching some of the videos that Juan Carlos was showing, because many of these students have been students in classes I have taught, and also they were with me, some of them, in a program, a study abroad program I conducted in the city of Madrid last summer, and they were coming out of this experience in Cusco, and to see them performing in an environment that is so challenging, culturally challenging, as the city of Cusco for them, and see them perform so well, it's something really inspiring, I believe, and it's what motivates me to do my job. So I want to begin by thanking the GoStem initiative, as well as CIDO, for putting together this event and working on making it possible. We have been treated very well today here, and I am just going to jump in. Let me try. So I am just going to jump into my presentation right now. So as my colleagues have previously shown, there are many ways in which the city space can be used to design authentic learning experiences for and with our students. Our colleague and friend Kelly Comfort was supposed to be here today, and in her presentation she was going to share with us her experience designing service learning courses and internship courses in Spanish. And she was going to discuss how through these courses she had been able to provide students with opportunities for professional development and community education. At the same time, they are also able to further develop their linguistic skills in Spanish, as well as their intercultural competence, while they go back and forth from the between the Hispanic and Anglo-American culture here in the city of Atlanta. So Tanisha and Sirocus earlier shown a great example of service learning, and Juan Carlos has also illustrated how you can do the same through a student's immersion in an international context, more specifically as we saw in the city of Cusco, Peru. And finally, my role here today, I think, if I have a role at all, is to try to explore how this can be merged with new information technology, and more specifically with mobile technology, to achieve the same or a very similar goal. At the same time, we try to help students to develop e-literacies, and that's personally my passion, no? To try to help students to develop e-literacies. So the way my presentation has been organized is basically like this. During the first 6 or 7 minutes, I will try to explain the concept of place-based education, since I think that is probably the pedagogical paradigm that can hold together the different approaches we are proposing here to the city space as a rich learning environment. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. Then during the second part, I will introduce the concept of mobile learning, and I will briefly discuss some of the benefits of using mobile technology in the classroom and outside the classroom as well. And then finally, I am going to explain what I am proposing, which is basically what I call a locative media learning model. It might sound fancy, but it's something very simple, as I expect to be able to explain to you. So basically, my presentation has been structured as an attempt to provide an answer to 3 questions. The first one is, what is place-based education? No? The second question is, what is moral learning? And finally, the third question is, what is locative media learning? And I am going to discuss some of the benefits to foreign language instruction and the benefits to foreign language instruction and of this model, and how it can help us promote interdisciplinary collaboration between students and faculty. So let me start with my first question. What is place-based education?